Welcome to GrumpyMan's Reviews. Today we're looking at the CP1 2K Smart Home Security Camera. Link in the description box below if you want to pick this up. Before we start, remember if you find the video useful, a like would be appreciated. Any questions, ask me in the comment section below and subscribe to watch more reviews. A quick look at the packaging. 2K 3 megapixels, H.265. The app is available from App Store and Google Play. Nothing on that side. Nothing there. Some information on this side. Motorized pan and tilt 360 degrees. Motion detection. Smart tracking. View from anywhere. It runs on the 2.4 gigahertz network. Night vision up to 33 feet. Two-way audio. H.265 Video Technology. That is a smaller file size, better image quality. Micro SD card storage up to 256 GB, and you get the cloud storage option as well. You get a 7-day free trial, and then after that, if you want to pay for a subscription, you can do. Some branding at the top. Okay, I'll take everything out of the box. This is everything that was included inside the box. We get a quick start guide. There's a QR code there to download the app. It's in different languages, this. Service card. Some more paperwork. A power adapter. Of course, I'm in the UK, so mine is a 3-pin one. A Type A to micro USB cable. It's just under 3 meters. A mounting template. Some mounting hardware. A bracket if you want to mount the camera to your ceiling. Moving on to the camera, we've got 2 infrared lights, the lens, status light, microphone. If I just pick that up, micro SD card would go in there. I've already put one in, a 64 GB one I've put in, and a reset button there. Some branding, speaker, Ethernet port, micro USB port. At the bottom where I have my thumb, that's where the QR code is. We're going to need that when we set it up. It has 4 rubber pads, so if you do place it on a surface, it won't slip around. That would go under there, and you use the provided screws, or you could use your own if you want to mount it on a ceiling. If you do decide to mount it on your ceiling, you will need to go into the app and flip the image around. I'll show you that when I show you the app. I've downloaded the app. I've created an account. I had to give them my email address. They sent a code to my email, put the code in, and now I've come to this page. So let's add the device. I'll need to power it on first, of course. The red status light has come on there. If I go to add device, camera, allow, the motor on that is moving. Scan the QR code on the device, that'll be quicker. Okay, I'll let that finish moving and then I'll scan it here. Just scan the code.
Please use EZVIZ App for device Wi-Fi configuration.
Let's come up. Device is powered on. Let's go to next. Okay, if I just pick this up slowly, you'll be able to see the lights blinking blue. It says power on the device and wait until it starts up completely, which it has. Indicator flashes blue. Yep. Open location permission. Okay, allow. Yeah, my device isn't far from the router anyway. I need to put my password in for my router. I'll do that off camera quickly. It's powering the device up now. The device network is being configured. Please wait patiently.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Please wait. Wi-Fi connected. Platform registration successful. Configuration complete. Welcome to EZVIZ.
There we are. That was easy enough, wasn't it? There's the camera. Device setup. Your device has been added. Save the QR code. No, I don't want to do that. Okay. Audio is on. Device time. Time zone. Yeah, that's the right one. Date, month and year, that's fine. Learn more. Just go to next. Okay, we have to select where we're putting the camera. Living room, bedroom, backyard, office. I'll just say office. Done. Cannot receive messages after the following steps are complete. Okay. Click on that. The micro SD card is unformatted. Please format it before recording. Okay, I'll reformat it. Let's format that. The SD card has been formatted. If I back out of this now, then the status indicator is gone off with blue. So I'll just click on that. It's loading. I've just muted the audio because I'm getting feedback. So the status indicator is blue. A quick look at the main interface. So here we have video history. So anything that's recorded will be on there, of course. Snapshot that will get saved in the phone. Record. Pan tilt. See the camera moving? It's really responsive, that. And here, while I'm panning and tilt, I could take a picture and record as well. And it's in 360 picture, auto tracking, that will motion track. We'll have a look at this later on in action, but just having a quick look at the app for now. Then speaker. So the definition now is Ultra HD. Cancel out of that. That there, of course, I could share the camera, so the family guest. The one next to that, that will give us more access. Audio is on, status light, so I could turn that blue light off if I wanted to. You could see that blue light. So say if you want to mount this near a window, if you want to point it outside, and you could turn that light off. IR light, same with the infrared lights. If you want to put it outside, turn them off, but then the night vision won't be as good if you turn that off. Alarm notification. Could set the notifications here. You could set a notification schedule, days as well. You are from Monday to Sunday. Back out of that. Motion detection area. You could select an area. So it's letting us know here the selected area sports alarm. So click, draw line. So I'll say that bit there. Now that area, if anything moves there, it will send me a notification, but anything out of that, it won't. That's good. Yep, cleared it. That will of course change the screen. Backed out of that. Motion detection sensitivity. You could pick. That would be the highest. Leave it in middle for now. Back out of that. Back out of that. Time zone, that's already set. Daylight saving time. Date format. Wi-Fi. That's cloud storage. Storage status there. Cloud storage. Memory card. All day record. You could set it to record all day as well, which is good. Change encryption password. Flip image. If you're going to mount the camera upside down, you could flip the image from there. Then we've got sleep mode. When sleep mode is on, the device stops monitoring and recording. If I push that, you can see that it's moving around. It's gone to sleep, but let's put it back on. Offline notification. If it goes off, it will let us know. It will push us a notification. User guide, then about, and then delete device, which we don't want to do. Nice and simple, the app. This is the first time I've used this company's product, and I really like the app. It's easy. They are quite popular, these. Library, that will be my personal information. To protect your account security, I will do that later on. My profile, album, general settings, family guest, cloud, help, live chat. That's to add another device, so they do other products as well. There's brought up some more options. Let me pause that. So I've got obviously like pause and audio there, and that box will change the screen around. So view all, that's what's just been recorded now. You could see the thumbnails have come up there. We are fully set up now. You could see the picture there. So I like the 360 picture one. As you can see there, I've already a picture and it's letting me know at the bottom here, it's saying reset the 360 picture. If I press reset, press OK. This is a really cool feature, this. It's going to scan the whole room in the 360 motion. Next to that is auto tracking. I really like this feature. If I enable it, it will start tracking. So let me just turn it on. It'll keep following us around. That is a really cool feature. Okay, I will show you some daytime and nighttime footage now, but I just wanted to point out, when I show you the test footage, the quality you see will be slightly reduced, as my timeline is 1080p and this camera is 2K, plus the camera uses the H.265 compression. The rest of the video is shot in H.264, so I'll have to convert the camera footage to H.264, and YouTube compressed the file as well. But the video we're seeing is really sharp. The quality on this camera is really good day and night. At the time of recording, this camera is for just under £50. If you are in the market for a home security camera, we could recommend this. Image quality is really good. This camera is really easy to use. Someone that's elderly and doesn't have much tech experience could use this camera. It's that easy to use. Really like the auto tracking feature. It does really latch on. The 360-degree feature is a good one as well. Another thing, this camera, the motor is quiet. I have reviewed other pan and tilt cameras and the motor on them has been loud. I'm not saying it's really quiet, it does make some noise, but it's not as loud as them. I will leave a link in the description box below if you want to pick this up. I hope I covered everything. If I missed something, ask me in the comment section below. If you found the video useful, a like would be appreciated. Subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.